Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. My name is Muhammad Iz'aan from Group F, and I'm going to walk you guys through our movie recommendation system project using Cosine Similarity, where this is the code, and our goal is to understand each step of the code and how it contributes to creating this project. So firstly, we will be importing necessary libraries, importing NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and OS. We then load the movie data from two CSV files and we merge them based on the movie title. So this will give us a consolidated data frame with information about movies including the overviews, genres, keywords, cast and crew. And we only take the relevant columns because as you can see there are so many columns and we only need the movie ID, title, overview, genres, keywords, cast and crew for our modeling. And next, for the data cleaning, we check for null values, and as you can see here there are three null values in overview column, and we drop the null values, we drop the rows with null values, and then we also check for any duplicated rows, and then we import AST, where we will be using ast.literalEval to convert the JSON formatted data in genres, keywords, cast and crew columns. We import those to convert them into lists, so this can make us to work with the data easier, where as you can see the function here to convert them into lists, we convert the genres, we convert the keywords, we convert the cast as well as the crew, and then we then pre-process the text data into overview column, where we split them into individual words, where we would like to split them. As you can see, it was a paragraph or maybe like sentences, and then we split them into word by word, where we want to pre-process the text so that there will be so it will be cleaner and easier to model. And then we create a new column named text, where we input relevant information, where we put overview, genres, keywords, cast and crew into the text column. And next, for the final data frame, or the we call it new DF, where you only select important columns such as movie ID, title and text into the new data frame, and then we will be combining words and text into a single string. Like for example, previously we split the sentence into words, right? Like word by word, and then we join them back so they make a complete sentence, as you can see here. And then this part of the code or function is to make the sentence or the string in the text column to be lowercase. Here you can see. And then next part is we import an LTK and Porter stemmer, where we apply stemming to the text column here, text column, using an LTK Porter stemmer. And then we also import count vectorizer from sklearn to convert the text data into numerical format suitable for modeling. Here we convert the text data, and this is the vector, and this is the vector shape, 4800 seats and 5000. And then we also import cosine similarity from sklearn, where we calculate the cosine similarity of the vector based on their text, so we can see how similar each movie is to each other. and this is the similarity matrix. And then we will be creating a new function called recommend to recommend movies based on the similarity scores. And when we try to use the function, for example, we put recommend Spider-Man, then the output will be movie titles that is similar to Spider-Man. And if we put, for example, The Dark Knight Rises, it will be there will be more titles similar to The Dark Knight Rises, for example, the Batman movies. And for the final part of the block, we import pickle to save the final data frame and the similarity matrix, so that in the future we can reuse the same model without having to recompute it every time. And for the web application, as you can see here, we import three libraries: pickle, streamlit for the web app, and also request to fetch the HTTPS, where we define two functions: fetch poster and also recommend, where fetch poster is to fetch the movie poster or the movie images using the API key, and then recommend movie, same as the previous one, to return the recommended movies name and also the recommended movies poster. And this is our header, our web app header, and the main title of our project, movie recommendation system using Cosine Similarity. And then we load the data frames from the previous code, and then we create a drop down to select a movie, and then a button also to trigger the recommendation. So there'll be 5 columns because there will be 5 movie title recommendations for any given input of the title movie. So let us try to run. Let's type streamlit run at by. You can see here it says you can now view your streamlit app in your browser. So here it is, our web application, our deployment. So for example, if you want to maybe see movie recommendations about Interstellar, show recommendation, and there'll be 5 movie titles as you can see here, and also their posters, because Interstellar is about scientific sci-fi movie or like space themed movie. So these are the 5 recommended movies for Interstellar. And that is all for our video demo. Thank you.